This video covers the brackets panel. When you first open the brackets panel, you will see a gray panel. To create brackets, use the brackets pull-down menu and select bracket groups. This opens the dialog box where you will tell AutoBracket which group you want to create brackets for, or you can select all groups to create brackets for the entire tournament at one time. If you select a single group, AutoBracket will show you the preferences for that group so you can review them. If the preferences are not correct, you would want to cancel, go back to preferences, and change the preferences. If the preferences are okay, go ahead and generate brackets. Once the brackets have been generated, AutoBracket shows you where you have problems that need to be addressed. Any bracket where the maximum weight difference has been exceeded will be highlighted in red. Brackets that contain 2 or more wrestlers from the same club will be highlighted yellow. Brackets that contain 2 or more wrestlers with the same last name will be highlighted green. And the brackets where the maximum power rating difference has been exceeded will be highlighted in blue. All you have to do is make adjustments to correct these highlighted brackets. You can move wrestlers up or down on the screen, adjust the number of wrestlers in a bracket and change the bracket type, or even delete a wrestler from the brackets. So I'm going to unlock the brackets. I'm going to create a 2-man bracket out of these 2 real light kids. So in order to move everybody down, I'm going to use the bump function, which corrects my weight problem. And then I'm going to change this, instead of a 4-man round robin, I'm going to right click on it and select update bracket, and I'm going to change it to a 2-man round robin. Next thing I'm going to do is move one of these wildcats down to the next bracket and bring a monarch back up, so I maintain my 4 wrestlers in each bracket. Here I have 2 Elkhorn wrestlers and 2 monarch wrestlers. So I'm going to use the swap function and swap the Elkhorn wrestler with a monarch wrestler, fixing both of those brackets. Here again I have 2 Elkhorn wrestlers. I'll move one down, bring the Junior Cougars wrestler up. Again, 2 Elkhorn wrestlers and 2 Millard South wrestlers. I'll swap. Fixing those 2 brackets. Here I will move a Monarchs wrestler up, bring this JTWC wrestler down, and then I get down here to my heaviest kids, and it looks to me like we probably need to make some 3-man brackets. I have 3 wrestlers here that would make a good bracket, 3 here, and 3 here. So what I will do is bump from that point down, and then right click and add a buy, maintaining my 4 slots in my 4-man round robin. I'll do the same thing here. I'll bump him down and then add a buy. And then in my bottom bracket, all I have to do is add a buy to maintain my 4 slots. Now we still have some power rating problems that we should probably look at. What AutoBracket is telling me here is I have this wrestler with a power rating of 3 and a wrestler with a power rating of 86 in the same bracket. If I could move this kid in with some heavier kids and put this lighter, or this wrestler with the lower power rating back down here, would probably make a couple better brackets. So I will just move this high power rating into this bracket and move this low power rating into that bracket, fixing that problem. Here I've got a 0 power rating in with the 98. I could move the 98 down into this bracket. I can move the 0 up into this bracket with the 3, which are probably two beginner wrestlers. But again, see, trying to make that change, AutoBracket shows me that I shouldn't do that, because then that puts two monarchs in the same bracket together. So I'm going to leave the 0 in that bracket and just bring us a lighter power rating up to this bracket. Here I have my 100 power rating, which is the best kid in this group, against a 19. So the 19 would probably work better up here with these wrestlers. I'll move him up, which again shows me I shouldn't probably do that, so I'm not going to do that. The 100 I'm going to bring down here with these guys, and I'll bring a lighter or a lower power rating up, and that fixes those problems. At this point, these brackets are ready to print.